Hi everyone, I'm Prince Jin Quizon, Kawahara. I am 25 years old from Marilao, Ginoong Marilao.
Alright, Prince.
Hello, sir.
Alright. So, since tapos na yung swimmer competition and the
Yes.
competition, how do you feel right now?
Sobrang overwhelmed po. Pero and yet, parang na-relieve yung ano ko. Kasi sa lahat po ng segment ng pageant, swimmer po talaga yung pinaka-ayoko.
Why?
Maitim po yung puwet ko eh.
Parang hindi naman siya kita kanina.
Hindi naman. Maayos yung pagkalagay.
Pagkalagay ng ano.
Yung white.
Happy naman with your performance.
Happy naman. Kasi in-enjoy ko lang din naman.
Scale of 1 to 10.
10, of course.
That's perfect.
Yes.
You're from Marilao.
Yes.
What is the best thing or delicacy from Marilao?
Suman, puto popular, of course. Hindi, joke lang po.
Malapit na yung Grand Coronation Night. Ano
Yes.
ang expectation ng mga supporters mo from you?
Of course, someone na lagi nilang nakita sa pageantry before, especially sa national, parang nag-expect pa sila ng something na more crown pa. So, yeah, looking forward for it then.
How old are you?
25 po. So,
And
nag-start ako nag-national nung teens, mga 17, ganun.
Oh, so,
So,
pageant, you're a pageant king.
Before. Pero ngayon, wala na.
Getting back there.
Of course, I'm
So,
getting back on the track.
Yeah. So, last thing, you can invite your supporters on the Grand Coronation.
Hello, everyone. I would like to invite you all to watch our coronation night on January 31 at KB Gym po. So, yeah, see you there.